welcome back to our channel. I know it's been really long that we have come up with a new video, but here we are, so welcome back. And as you know that Rakshabandhan is approaching, and all of you who don't know what Rakshabandhan is, let me tell you a bit. Rakshabandhan is a festival wherein a sister ties a Rakhi around the wrist of their brother in order to pray for his prosperity, health and well-being. The brother in return offers a gift and promises to protect his sister from any harm and under any circumstances. Although, this is very theoretical, I know all your sisters what you're thinking, and it's the gift and the money coming in your way. I know, I'm excited too. So, I think I need to tell you a story for this DIY. And it goes way back in time, like I was in 4th class and there was a Rakhi competition. And I made a Rakhi which wasn't not at all reaching my standards though. And I saw this another girl's Rakhi and it was so pretty. And I was like, how could she do that to me? Like, she didn't do anything, but I was like, she can make it better. And that was the time. And from that very year, I have been making my own Rakhi every year, and I've been tying on my brother's hand. Though, in these years, I've started enjoying the process of making that Rakhi because it adds to that personal touch. So, all of you all, my personal agendas aside, if you are like me and like to make your Rakhi on your own, this DIY is for you. We've made 2 Rakhis, like one for the ladies and for the brother. And if your brother is married, there you go. It's like a partner or like a couple Rakhi, as you can say. Hashtag couple groups. Okay? So let's just dive into the video. Come.
We'll start with the bhai Rakhi. For the same, you will require these raw materials: a plier, paper flowers, a ring covered with gota again, and then golden leaves, and last, glue gun. Firstly, we'll take the gota ring, which will work as a base, and then the gota. Take the gota from inside the ring and make one loop. To secure the loop, tie the gota on the end. This is how it should look like in the end. Now, repeat the same steps on the other side of the gota ring. Make sure you take the right length for the tie, as it can be too lengthy or too short. Now, we'll take the paper flowers. These are easily available in the market or any other craft shop. Now we'll take the plier and cut the wire from the flowers so that we get a smooth base to stick on the gota ring. Repeat the same steps for all the flowers. Now we'll take the golden leaves. Cut the stem of the golden leaf as close as you can so that we get the smoothest base to stick it on the gota ring. Repeat the same step with the other golden leaf as well. This is how the result should look like. Now we'll take the paper flower and the glue gun. Put a little glue on the back of the flower and stick it on the gota ring. Repeat the steps as shown. You will require a maximum of 3 flowers to cover the gota ring in half. Now take the leaves and stick it on the gota ring just as how you stick the flowers. That's it for the bhai Rakhi. I know it's like super easy, and we are done with the bhai Rakhi. Now let's jump on to the next one, that is the Chuda Rakhi. The raw materials you'll require for the Chuda Rakhi are as follows. A plier again, a golden wire, a golden gota bangle, jump rings, chain with pearls in it, golden leaves, foam flowers, and again glue gun. First, we'll take the gota bangle, which will work as the base for our Rakhi. Now we'll take the foam flowers and the plier and cut the stem of the flowers as usual as we did in the earlier Rakhi. Repeat the same steps for all the flowers. Now take the bangle and this is where we'll stick the flowers. Take the glue gun and the flower and paste the glue on the back of the flower and stick it on the gota bangle. Repeat the same steps while pasting all of the 6 flowers on the bangle. Make sure you don't stick the flowers too close or too far from each other. Now we'll take the golden leaves and unlike the earlier Rakhi, we'll cut the stem from a little afar. Repeat the same steps with all the golden leaves. Now take the glue gun and paste the glue on the side of the stem. And right where I am showing you the space, you need to put the golden leaf right inside it, between the flowers. Repeat the same step on the other side of the bangle. Now take another leaf and in this one you need to paste the glue on the end tip of the golden leaf. We'll stick this golden leaf in the center of the bangle and rather than putting it in between the flowers, we'll just stick it on the side of the flowers. To secure this golden leaf, take the glue gun and paste a little on the edges. Now repeat the same step on the other edges of the bangles, right where I'm putting the golden leaves. At the center of the flowers, we'll take 2 golden leaves and put it right in front of each other on different sides. Place the golden leaves as shown in the video. Take another golden leaf, paste the glue on the side of the stem as we did in the initial leaf and put it right opposite to that leaf and apply it how we did it in the very first one. Do the same on the opposite end of the bangle. Now the sticking part is done. Now take a golden wire around 2 to 3 centimeters and then wrap it around the bangle where it's shown in the video. You can use a plier to secure it more. Now take the chain and take around some 9 to 10 pearls as the length and cut the chain from right where I'm showing you in the video with the help of a plier. You will require 4 chains of the same length, or you can take a smaller or a longer length as well. Now take the jump ring and insert all these chains from the hoops inside the jump ring. Now we'll take the bangle and right where we put the golden wire, we'll insert this hoop ring. We'll insert this jump ring. Secure it by using a plier. And there we go. We are almost at the end of our video. Now take the flower and stick it right at the tip of the chain. You will require 2 flowers for it, as we are not trying to make it too heavy at the end. And that's it. This is how it should look like in the end.
See? So pretty, right? I don't really wish to give this away, but I can make another one for myself. And as you can see, it didn't take much of time. Like, I think this is the easiest DIY we have put on the channel till date. It's just pasting, dude. Just cut and paste and cut and paste. We do that every day. That's different, it's keyboard, but do it, do it, please. So, next, the important part of this, all of this is, you know the drill, right? And today, we'll do it my way. I'll tell you what to do and you do it with me. When I say like, you like. I say comment, you comment. So, let's start with this. 1, 2, 3. Like. Comment. Yeah, I'm giving you time. Comment. Scroll down and comment. Okay, hopefully you've done that. Now, subscribe, hit the bell icon and share the video because it's not much time. Okay? So, thank you for watching this video and thank you for all the support till date. Bye-bye. Bye.